Two snow cats are outside. Two snow cats. Here's the second one right there. Stuck in the house 2 days during the snowstorm. Still lots of snow here. Oh my. Lots of snow. This weekend it's supposed to be plus 16 degrees Celsius. I'm hoping to put stuff in the greenhouse here, maybe on Sunday, and I'll run a heater at night. But looks like this is the last snow of the year. I hope so. Don't you think, Zeus? Hope it's the last snowstorm? I think it will be. What do you think, Cola? Cola. Last snowstorm? Huh? You think so? Okay. You guys want treats after going outside? You do? Here, let's see if I can get some for you here. Oh, here's a couple. Here's some for you. Yum, 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 yum. Good treats. Where's Cola? Oh, there she is. Cola, you want treats? You want your treats? Yum, 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 yum.